Okay girls, so this is how we make the badges stand. I just cut these straps out of cardboard like this. It's not just very thick, this is just fine. And the exact dimension is 11 centimeter. So the folding points should be 4, 7.5 and 10.5. And after that you just put your nail there and fold it like this, and this, like that. And after that you will fold it like this, and I'm gonna tape this right here. Just some tape, and here we go, like this. This. Alright, and after this we're just gonna use some Faber-Castell Tack It. This one is just perfectly harmless and preserves our precious merch just fine. Just like this is enough. Maybe you can use it more if the badge is bigger or heavier. Okay, like this. And after that the folded point is up. You just put it like this, and as you can see, it's perfectly harmless. It's also called poster something, I guess. The one you should use with your posters. And voila! He stands perfectly fine. And if it's not just safety pin like this, just like this, you just have to push it under and close around it, and voila, we have standing in a perfect angle badges. Enjoy!